Good morning, everyone. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number one: which state government has recently decided to scrap the two-child norm for contesting local body election? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Question number two: which organization has recently launched a Hathi app to help mitigate the ongoing human-elephant conflict in Assam? A. Aranayak, B. Bombay Natural History, C. WWF India, D. Van Sakti. Correct answer is A. Question number 3. What is the primary objective of Vidya Samiksha Kendra recently seen in news? A. Develop new school curriculum. B. Leverage data and technology to improve learning outcomes. C. Train teachers in new teaching methods. B. Build new school infrastructure. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. Which state has become the third state after Kerala and Bihar to introduce menstrual leave policy for working women? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Odisha, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is C. Question number 5. Which ministry launchpad pilot project to transform fair price shops into Jan Poshan Kendra to boost nutrition access? A. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. B. Ministry of Agriculture. C. Ministry of Rural Development. D. Ministry of Defense. Correct answer is A. Question number 6. Which state has reported an outbreak of acute encephalitis syndrome primarily affecting children? A. Gujarat, B. Bihar, C. Odisha, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Question number 7. Which ministry has recently launched the Visio NXT web portal? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Textiles, C. Ministry of Defense, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. Which state recently introduced India's first silicon carbide manufacturing facility? A. Odisha, B. Bihar, C. Haryana, D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. Who has been unanimously re-elected as the chairperson of the Parliamentary Committee on Official Language? A. Dharmendra Pradhan, B. J.P. Nadda, C. Rajnath Singh, D. Amit Shah. Correct answer is D. Question number 10. What is the theme of the Swachhata Hi Seva 2024 campaign? A. Swabhav स्वभाव स्वच्छता संस्कार स्वच्छता बी स्वच्छता ही सेवा एक संकल्प सी स्वच्छ भारत हरित भारत डी none of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 11. Where was India's first super capacitor manufacturing facility inaugurated? A. Kannur, Kerala, B. Indore, Madhya Pradesh, C. Chennai, Tamil Nadu, D. Nasik, Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. What is the name of the initiative recently launched by Himachal Pradesh to tackle drug trafficking? A. Navjeevan, B. Sankalp, C. Viksit, D. Nirman. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. Which ministry launched e-migrate version 2.0 web portal and mobile app? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of External Affairs, C. Ministry of Defense, D. Ministry of Tourism. Correct answer is B. Question number 14. Serious Fraud Investigation Office works under which ministry? A. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, B. Ministry of Defense, C. Ministry of Science and Technology, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is A. Question number 15. Which state government has implemented the Rajya Vashisht Yojana to curb the incident of stubble burning? A. Punjab, B. Haryana, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Question number 16. Which state government recently launched the new scholarship scheme for Sanskrit students across the state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Haryana, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Question number 17. Which state has recently approved a 35% reservation for women in all state government recruitments? A. Odisha, B. Jharkhand, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is C. Question number 18. Niti Aayog launched the first state chapter of the Women Entrepreneurship Platform in which state? A. Telangana, B. Kerala, C. Maharashtra, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 19. Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0 recently seen in the news aims to clear legacy landfills by which year? A. 2025, B. 2026, C. 2027, D. 2028. Correct answer is B. Question number 20. SIPCOT is an industrial park initiative of which state? A. Karnataka, B. Maharashtra, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. Correct answer is C. Question number 21. What is the primary objective of Fortified Rice Initiative? A. Combat malnutrition. B. Increase rice exports. C. Increase rice imports. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 22. Which state government has announced free dialysis for chronic kidney patients in government hospitals? A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Haryana, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Question number 23. What was the primary objective of Operation Sagar Manthan launched by NCRB? A. Counter terrorism activities. B. Target drug trafficking through maritime routes. C. Enhance coastal security. D. Promote international trade. Correct answer is B. Question number 24. What is the name of the campaign launched in India to eliminate gender based violence? A. Beti Bachao, B. Shakti Abhiyan, C. Ab Koi Bahana Nahi, D. Nirbhaya Initiatives. Correct answer is C. Question number 25. The Supreme Court recently upheld the inclusion of which terms in the preamble of Indian Constitution? A. Secular Socialist, B. Republic Justice, C. Liberty Equality, D. Fraternity and Sovereign. Correct answer is A. I hope you like the video. Thank you.